Hello guys, welcome back to Michelle's version of calculus, and today we're doing 3.5, selecting procedures. I guess I definitely should have wrote specifically for that looks like an R also. Derivatives. And this whole thing is literally just a review. It's all just a review. And we're just kind of discussing things we've already talked about. These are my own personal notes that I took from something else, but of course, this is basically going over all the different procedures we have been taught so far of finding the derivative. So of course, let me get my highlighter out. Of course, here we have constant rule. Derivative of a constant is equal to 0. We have the product rule, or we have power rule over here, which we know is anything to the power of something is going to be, that power will become the coefficient in front of it multiplied. And you would do the power minus 1 to get the derivative of that. We know, this isn't necessarily a rule, but we do know that d to the derivative of x is equal to 1. We have the constant multiple rule that we learned, of course, and then we have product rule here, quotient rule here. All of these are called transcendentals apparently. So we have the derivative of e to the x, derivative of a to the x, or a value to the power of x, natural log x, log base a of x. All of our lovely, lovely trig functions that once again will continue to haunt you, that you should have memorized. The basic versions, of course, not necessarily the inverse ones. We have our lovely, lovely chain rule here. For composite functions, and of course we have implicit differentiation, which we've also learned, and we have also just finished talking about inverses of trig functions and their derivatives. And of course we have the definition of a limit, which is, basically what all of this is based off of, and these are all different ways to find derivatives. So just make sure you know when and how to use them, review them, know your formulas. And yeah, that's basically it on 3.5. Thank you.